Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show how to make a pillow in 5 minutes. First, delete a default cube. Press Shift-A and add a plane mesh. Expand the transform panel and scale the Y value to 1.5. Go to Edit mode and right-click, click Subdivide, and set the division to 20. Press number pad 1 to front view. Press E to extrude. Set the median Z value to 0.1. Press Ctrl R and add a loop. Press numpad 7 to view top, and press S to scale. After that, back to Object mode and click Physics tab and Cloth. And click Pressure, set 3.5 to pressure value. Click Field Weights and set the gravity value to 0. Press space to animate, pause where you need. Go to Modifier tab and click Apply. Click Add Modifier and Generate, and Subdivision Surface Modifier, and set the value to 3 in Viewport and Render. Click Apply. Here is the basic pillow. Let's see how to texture this pillow. Go to Shading tab. I am doing this for the pillow lighting. If you need, you can use HDR image. Create new material. Before that, enable Node Wrangler add-ons. Go to Edit, Preferences, in Add-ons tab, search Node Wrangler add-ons and enable, and give Save Preferences. Press Shift-A and search Wave Texture node. Press Ctrl-T to add Mapping and Texture Coordinate node and Shift-D to duplicate. Connect the Mapping node vector to Wave Texture vector. Set the Wave Texture node scale 25, distortion 3.5 and details 15. On second Wave Texture node, set the scale value 22, distortion 3.5 and details 15. Press Shift-A and add Color Ramp node. Connect the color to Color Ramp. Shift-D to duplicate and connect the color to Color Ramp. Add a Mixer node to mix the color. Click Float and give color. Add Color Ramp 1A and Color Ramp 2B. And add another Mix node, and set the float to color. Connect the Mix node to Factor, and connect this Mix node to Principal BSDF Base Color. To change the color, click A, and set the color what you need. I give gray color, so in hex code I give 424242. On B, I give 7A 7A 7A. And we got a wavy lines in the pillow, and all lines in the same directions. To change it to the square shape, go to Wave Texture and click X and change to Y direction, so that the texture are in X and Y directions. Add another Color Ramp node for control the roughness. Connect the color to roughness. And connect the Mix node to Color Ramp. To control the roughness, click the black color and increase to white. If it's fully white, there is no shiny. Add a Bump node to give a little bumps. Connect the Bump node to Normal, and Mix node to Bump node height. Reduce the strength value to 0.150. Add Displacement node. Connect the Displacement node to Material Output Displacement. Connect the Mix node to Displacement height. Set the scale value to 0.005. Now we got a basic pillow and its texture. Go to Material tab. And go to Settings. On here, change a displacement value bump only to displacement and bump. We got the pillow texture. Now go to Layout mode and set for the render. Press Shift-A and add a camera. Select the angle where you need, and press Ctrl-Alt-Numpad 0 to set the camera to your angle. Go to Render Settings, change to Cycles, and set the render samples to 1024. If you need transparent image, go to Film and click Transparent. Go to Output Settings, check the file format is PNG and color settings in RGBA. Click Render Image. Here is the basic pillow in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.